How to download all your informations on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go to the top here, click right here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings again. Now all what you have to do is go right here to your Facebook information, and here you will find download your information from here. Click on it and you will be able to download. As you can see, you can download the photos and everything. After you finish, click request download and everything's gonna be done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.